Chapter 14 of The Prince by Niccolo Machiavelli. It's concerned with military matters. And one thing that he said that stuck out was a prince should have no other profession but that of war. And so he was going on and on about even better than living good, a prince should only be concerned with war. And even in times of peace, he said he should be more so concerned with war than times of conflict. And he even went on to say, through action or through study. And one of the examples that he gave was the example of action would be, it was this guy, and he would always, wherever he was at, he would always be like, okay, if the enemy was over there, what would we do? How would we do it? If this situation was going on, if that situation was going on. So he always was being strategic and thinking about unforeseeable events. And I just thought that was kind of intriguing, that he always was, concerned with conflict and adversity. So when that opportunity came, or when those type of situations arise, he would already be, he would already have been and thought about that type of situation. So they kind of give you the upper hand on the motherfucker in that type of scenario. And the other situation was study. Now the example he gave with study is to just study great men who have been through conflicts and adversities. Of course, we talking about war, so you would study people who've been through things like that and emulate that and try to avoid the errors that they made. So studying history when it comes to conflict would benefit you, basically, So and it was another thing too he was speaking on when he was talking about action was, knowing the terrain, knowing the lay of the land. And I thought that was kind of intriguing too, knowing the hills, the peaks, the valleys, the this, the that, So hey, just take it for what it's worth.